everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Halicine and today I'll be sharing with you guys my top 5 red lipsticks. So basically I'll be sharing with you guys the lipsticks on my minimalist makeup look. So I've just applied the skin gloss, compact, eyeliner and mascara. That's it, nothing else. So yeah, now let's go. So the first product for today is this from Sugar Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick in the shade 09 Royal Reading. So I have been loving this lipstick a lot and I think it's been a quite long time I am having this lipstick. So let me just show you guys. So I've almost, if you can see, I've used it. I love Sugar lipsticks, they are just really amazing. So yeah, that's the shade. So my second lipstick is from Beauty People. This is the Kiss Proof Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade 113. So basically it's a carrot red color and it's very much affordable in price, and you can check their website. I'll share all the links in the description, so do check it out. Shade, isn't it pretty? It's a carrot red color. I don't know how it's looking on screen, but it's actually a carrot red, so it will suit all the brown skin girls out there. So yeah, that's it for this, and now let's move on to the next. So my next lipstick is from Tintin Cosmetics. This is their non-transfer lipstick added primer in the shade M06 Brick Wine. So that's the lipstick. So basically it's a retractable lipstick. So if you see, it's a retractable one. And let me show you guys, it's a beautiful maroonish red. Even this is a very beautiful shade. It's actually maroon, it's a beautiful maroon red. So my next lipstick is from Maybelline Super Matte Ink Crayon. So this is their latest range. So I love this lipstick basically. It's a beautiful maroon red again. So let me just show you guys. Even this doesn't require any lip balm also, because it's quite creamy in texture. That's the lipstick. Over here, so that's the sharpener. So yeah, that's the lipstick from Maybelline. So my last lipstick for today is from Blur, and this is Darker Than My Soul, Darker Than My Ex's Soul. So that's the lipstick name. It's very interesting. They have some amazing lip shades, so you should definitely check this out. Also it is vegan and cruelty free product, so do check this out. Also I will share all my discount codes for them in the description box below, so you can go and buy. Simple. So this is the last lipstick, and all the previous lipstick, it's just one swipe and you can remove them easily. So it's not like too matte and you have to rub your lips also. It's very I remove it very easily because it's very I feel that these lipsticks are very much comfortable and affordable and very much easy to remove. So yeah, so the last lipstick is from Blur Cosmetics. I love their packaging. Firstly, full white and a rose gold. So that's the you see the lipstick. This is so gorgeous, I tell you guys. So that's the shade, isn't it beautiful? It's very creamy in texture and it's actually very beautiful shade. It's so comfortable on lips. You don't feel like you have worn anything on lips. It looks so beautiful. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also please hit that bell icon below and please keep following and please keep supporting my page and my channel. Lots of love. Bye bye. Take care guys.